The Tao of Life is a philosophy that originated in China over 2,500 years ago. It is based on the idea that there is a natural order in the universe and that we can find happiness and fulfillment by living in harmony with that order. The Tao is often described as the way, or the path. It is the underlying principle of the universe, and it is what gives everything its order and purpose. We can apply the Tao to our lives by living in a way that is in harmony with nature and with ourselves. This means living simply, being mindful of our actions, and being compassionate towards others. Here are some quotes from Lao Tzu that illustrate the Tao. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The more you know, the less you need. The more you have, the more you lose. The more you give, the more you receive. The more you resist, the more you suffer. The more you let go, the more you find peace. The more you love, the more you are loved. The more you trust, the more you are trusted. The more you forgive, the more you are forgiven. The more you accept, the more you are accepted. The more you are grateful, the more you have to be grateful for. In conclusion, the Tao of Life is a philosophy that can help us live happier and more fulfilling lives. By understanding the Tao and applying it to our lives, we can learn to live in harmony with nature and with ourselves. This can lead to a greater sense of peace, happiness, and well-being. Thanks for watching.